Bring on day number 13. All right, now yesterday I talked to you about the C principle, using your senses, experiencing things, and then really extrapolating that or exaggerating that into something that's really unique and memorable in order to remember things. Now I'm going to tell you a little story about how I remembered the name of the author of this book. And basically it's an incredible, and I mentioned this in video 11 as well, but it's really incredible to take a name like Kevin Horsley and actually remember that. I'll read books and books and books and books, and read thousands of books now, and a lot, I mean almost all of the authors' names I don't remember. I know quite a few, like the famous ones, J.K. Rowling, L. Ron Hubbard, some of my favorite authors. But gosh, you wouldn't believe, I'm not a Scientologist, by the way, I just like sci-fi. So the way to use the C principle, okay, so that you can really connect and exaggerate whatever it is that you're trying to remember. So if you're trying to remember my name, for example, Craig Lambie, what you might do is you might connect Craig to, say, Daniel Craig. So you might morph my name, my face and Daniel Craig's face like this a little bit. And then you want to remember Lambie. So you'll then maybe turn me into a sheep, and you'll remember the lamb. So then you want to remember the IE part. So lamb, you've got the sheep thing, and then you've got to remember the IE. So maybe you can connect it to this grammatical rule that I'm sure you remember, that I becomes E except after C. And you go, well, that doesn't work. So Lambie, Craig, C, I before E except after C. In this case, no, it's not. So I'm going to tell you off with my Lambie face. No, I am not I before E, because you are coming after C. Something funny like that, okay? Exaggerate, really experience it, smell the lamb's wool. I want you to really see Daniel Craig's face. I want you to morph them together, and then you'll remember that forever. So imagine spending a little moment of time, and you get better with practice, putting this together, and you will remember somebody's name for as long as you want. You just need to practice doing this particular C principle. Okay? That's all for this video. See you on the next one.